Ready to start your indoor jungle, but not sure where to begin? You don't need a green thumb to keep these alive. Here are the 5 easiest indoor plants for every beginner. First up is the snake plant. This is the gold standard for beginners because it is virtually indestructible and can survive in almost any light condition. It's a slow grower that doesn't mind being root-bound, meaning you won't have to worry about repotting it for a long time. The #1 tip for success: stop watering it so often. It prefers its soil to be bone dry before it takes another drink. Next is the ZZ plant. If you have a busy schedule and often forget to water, this is the plant for you. Its thick, waxy leaves and bulb-like roots store water for weeks at a time, making it one of the most drought-tolerant plants on this list. To keep it looking its best, just keep it out of direct, scorching sunlight. It much prefers a steady spot with moderate, indirect light. The golden pothos is a classic for a reason. It's a fast-growing vine that is incredibly easy to care for and even easier to propagate. It's very communicative. If the leaves start to droop, it's simply telling you it's thirsty. It's the perfect plant for learning how to read your greenery. If the vines get too long for your liking, don't be afraid to trim them. Cutting them back actually encourages the plant to grow fuller at the top. The spider plant is a resilient favorite that adds a fun, exploding look to your shelves with its long, arching leaves. It is incredibly adaptable and is well known for producing babies on long stems that you can eventually snip off and grow as new plants. If you see brown tips on the leaves, try using filtered water or letting your tap water sit out overnight before using it to remove any harsh chemicals. Finally, the corn plant. This plant gives you the look of a miniature tree without any of the difficult maintenance. It thrives on neglect and can handle lower light levels, making it a great choice for offices or corners of your living room. Because it grows from a thick central stalk, it's very sturdy. Just ensure the soil is well draining so the roots stay healthy and happy. At Plantopedia, we appreciate these beginner-friendly species for their resilience and their unique presence in the home. By following these steps, you're not just growing a single plant, you're building a living masterpiece. Give your collection the care it deserves. This video is part of Plantopedia's growing plant library on YouTube. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.